Ever wonder how to get students to learn and practice vocab in class and on their own? Don't have time to make up new games or even tests? There's an answer that both you as a teacher and the students will like. It's called Quizlet, and as a teacher I've used this to help my own students study. It's easy to set up and best of all it's free. So let's get started. I've already logged in so you can see some of the options. These over here are study sets that I've already created for a few classes. But let's make a new one. To make a new one, you'd press Create. I actually have one in progress already. These study sets contain any information you wish to teach. It's perfect for vocab and even works for question and answer type items for students to know and review. First, you set a title here. Since I'm teaching my students robots this week, I'm going to put in robots. Second, you have to choose a language for both your terms and your definitions. If you don't choose one right away, it will remind you and make you choose one. There are hundreds of different languages to choose, but for my class, I'll just choose English. I can then type up the words and definitions as I've done already. You can type in your own definitions and add an image to the picture by pressing this icon, and it'll bring up some of Quizlets, or you can upload your own image. The microphone option right here allows students to hear the question and answer spoken aloud. If you don't know what definition to use, press search here and you can see what other Quizlet users have come up with. You can use those definitions as well as your own. Anyway, I've got a couple definitions here. We need at least 2 to create a study set. When finished, press Create, and congratulations, we've created a set. You can share this with students through Twitter, Facebook, adding it to a class or folder, or by sharing the link created here at the bottom of the screen. Next, I'm going to show you a few ways your new study set can be used. To see a few ways they can use each study set, let's click on one I've made before. As you can see, there are many options and tests students can try. We'll look at these first 4 right here. Flashcards allows students to learn vocabulary like with a flashcard. They can start with definitions or with terms by pressing options right here. They can also listen to an audio version of these terms like this. And with shuffle, they can even have the definitions come in at random. So that's how that works. Learn takes this concept and allows the student to type in the answers for him or herself. Just like with flashcards, a student can choose definition or terms in the options button, as well as audio. Spell allows users to listen to a term and then type in what they hear, giving students a chance to practice spelling. And for busy teachers like myself, Quizlet can make up practice tests from that study set. There are 4 types of questions that you can go through, and they're here in options. Written question, where the student types in the answer, multiple choice, true or false, or matching. This is where students can match a term with a definition. You can choose which question types you want, as well as where they go in the test. Finally, you can print the test when done. These are just a few useful features for this excellent study software. I hope you and your students like using it as much as me and my students have. Thank you.